Starting to get very windy here. Picking up. The tents are they're starting to flutter a wee bit, but we're seemingly holding it down alright here. We'll see how we get on. Big monster baller. So, get into the tent at about before 9:30 anyway, just because the wind is serious out there. So yeah, gust of 70, and yeah, I can well believe gust of 70 is true. With the wee torch hanging up there, just to give you an idea, it's every 20 seconds or so you're getting a real heavy gust. But plenty of room here. Aye. So 2:30 in the morning. Getting absolutely battered here. Saying gust of 70 here in about an hour. So check everything here. Tightening her up. She's coming loose there, boys. Hi mate, you're alright here. I'm not when yours actually coping it better than mine here. Managed to make it to 6, so between 5 and 6 I think I got knocked about an hour's sleep. Well, can't get any more than an hour, that's the lack of sleep. Yeah, so between 5 and 6 was probably our best hour for sleeping. Still really windy, and we just want to bail off here as quickly as we can. I think last night we had stayed too long. It would have been impossible to bail. For one day we should have went at about 10, but but grand. Stuck it out. Good crack nail. It was a good test for the tents. Both held up really well. So
choose life, lad.
Choose life. Choose life. Choose mountains. Just gonna finish getting packed up here, and then we're out of here. I was doing one earlier and it was spraying back and everything and I didn't even give a fuck.
Here, look at this here. Hang on, Bob.
Oh, that's organic. Watch for your day up, mate. That'll honestly go everywhere. Keep her low. This mat's still going down. Not grim, like.
Oh, that hurts. Fucking grim. Jesus.
That's us, folks. All sorted, ready to go straight, and I took away there like Mary Poppins. So I understand the video quality in this is going to be pathetic, and same with the mic quality because I used it once. Here's the last wee venture over the wall before we go. Straight into the storm.